Coming from elokishini, I would say ukuthi it's very rare to find umuntu who's just one ethnicity or one culture. And ingoma yaVandag is such an example ngoba it's actually sang in another language, but the genre is taken from another language is genre angithola. So Vandag siniphathele i-track ekuthiwa Lerato Laka by uDitshepi LR Mjita, who hails from eLesotho, and sizonenzela esidume ngakho. Shafere ninjani bafethu, nibingelela yimi uThuto Tsotetsi, umSotho waseNquthu, umSotho omZulu, umZulu omSotho, Strateng Bambitsa Too Dope. And then Vandag siniphathele a song that is essentially who I am in a way, Yangtola, because iculwa nge-language ukuthi yasekhaya komama, but then ishaya ngesigqi espaniswa i-language yasekhaya kobaba, which is isiZulu, Yangtola. So Vandag song njengoba sichazile Lerato Laka kaDitshepi, ingoma imiqala ishaya ngey'nsimbi ukuthi are very similar to isiqu somaskandi, yangithola. Nanoma ingena, it sounds almost a bit maskandi-ish, to an extent ukuthi umuntu bengayicava ukuthi ingoma ethini, they would probably tune into it, expect ukuthi uzozwa umaskandi, and then boom, uzwe iKoreana, yabo. And for those who don't know, iKoreana is essentially umaskandi for abantu babeSotho, yangithola. It's very similar ngendlela thize to umaskandi ngenxa yokuthi some of the things ekukhulunywa ngazo ilezi ekukhulunywa ngazo ngarapha, basically kukhulunywa ngempilo nje, yangithola, kodwa different perspectives of impilo. So iLerato Laka i-love song ekhuluma ngomuntu who's just found a new love interest, and compare to precious minerals okuyi-gold ne-silver. So for those who don't know, Gauta means gold, essentially just like i-province yethu i-Gauteng, yabo. So I guess abantu abadala thought they would find iGauta eGauteng, yabo, meaning igolide. So umuntu umjidi uyasho-ke ukuthi wena uGauta lisilivere, uGauta lisilivere, wena udayimani nake, you know. So it's basically saying you are so precious, Gimme, you comprise of all these three minerals or metals or precious gems, ngasho njalo, because akakwazi nokuthi angamcompare ubuhle bakhe or the way amthanda ngakhona to ini, yangithola. So but in any case nje, all of these three things are expensive, ngeke umane ungene eshop uthi mina ngifuna i-diamond ngo-2 bob or something. Nah, gotta have big bucks. So uyabona ukuthi umjida is just basically speaking about how much he adores or appreciates this new person in their life, yangithola. So yeah, nje umuntu angaya naye ayozwela. Now we're just going to do what we normally do ohlelweni lwethu, give it a rating. Criteria yethu yokuqala i-rhythm, which is isiqu for those who don't know. Re ka nna ka tjho ka re, you know, it was a 25%, because with that it actually comes from indaba yokuthini isiqu sakhona, it's of another genre, but uDitshepi was able to execute it perfectly to an extent ukuthi ize yafita i-genre yakhe ne-language yakhe, and sounded as though it was actually meant to be isiSotho. You don't feel like, oh, this is out of place or anything. So it's really on point. Bese sizosuka singene ku-lyrical content. For lyrical content, it gets a 25% as well, because as much as nothing under the sun is new, wonke amagama siyawazi, but also bathini lento le, indlela yokubekwa kwamagama nayo futhi it should make sense, makes you ekubhaleni. Uyangithola, kufanelanga nje ube umuntu othi hhayi naye ingoma ngiyayenza, okay aseyiphumile, you know. So it has all the core things ezidingekayo, angithola imnandi ingoma. And then sizosuka singene kwi-production. Production ye-track-ke ihandlilwe uChef Shengu noLin, and uChef Shengu is a quite frequent collaborator naye umjida uRithip. Maningasibheka nje isibani sakhe esibhaye uRithip uzobona prod by yena umjida uChef Shengu. So i-production izothola u-25 njengoba sishilo, because it is actually dope ukuthi they included both aspects of i-writing, ama-genre lawa bawenzayo, ngoba bashaya ngesiqu somaskandi, but it still has connotations of i-Koreana danada, where you can hear inkostina kakhulu, you know, uyazi ukuthi oh, okay sayigxile eshunini wesuthu to an extent, so it gets a 25 for that part. Bese sisuke singene kwi-category yethu yes4, which is the arrangement, and for arrangement it gets a 25 out of 25. Essentially this is because mawilalela track, it has all the components required by ingoma ukuthi bemnandi, inevesi, shange hook, in a bridge. So umuntu melalele, they're already anticipating certain parts of yona, and amanye sebaze bawacava futhi it's also catchy. Uyangithola, it make sure ukuthi iyahlala emqondweni womuntu, mayingena nje mase uyicava ushaya sing along same time, uyangithola. So with that part, it's actually a very dope song. But then njengoba sihlezi sisho, would really like for abantu to go and listen to the song themselves, bese bazifomulethele opinion. After having done that, babuye bazositshela kuma-comments ukuthi bacabangani. Danko.